Is now the time to buy gold? We have gold prices back under pressure, dropping 0.5% on the day, but the real star here has been crude oil, exactly as we mentioned to you on the week ahead commodity report, and also last week's Thursday commodity report as well. We're selling into oil. We've got 3 sell shorts on this market. All of them are currently in profit. As we've seen, oil prices, they've broken down 2.5% in the last 24 hours. So again, just go back to last week's report. We talked you through the sell short setup on this market. We banked on the long side, 1,220 points profit, and then we subsequently reversed position, and now we're capitalizing on the selling pressure that we've seen over the last 24 hours with more negative data out of China. So this has presented yet again another fantastic opportunity to trade the range and capitalize from the rug pull that we're currently seeing on crude oil prices. Now again, going back to gold. So as you know, over the month of August, we've got CPI data that's coming out on Thursday. As we go into the following week, we've then got the BRICS meeting where they're due to discuss at their summit the potential for a gold-backed digital currency. Alongside that, you've got the Jackson Hole Symposium, which is notorious for the Federal Reserve to drop hints about their future monetary policy, which again can be a catalyst for huge moves on the precious metals. So there's no doubt about it, this month is going to provide you with back-to-back trade opportunities. Now alongside that, we've got our dollar long position on, which is currently up almost 300 points. As you know, we long the dollar at 99.67, so we're benefiting massively from the risk-off environment that we're seeing at the start of this week, with more banks being downgraded, more pressure on the S&P 500, more pressure on the Nasdaq. We've seen multiple stocks this week break down significantly after the US got downgraded last week. And with that, this again has presented a lovely opportunity to sell short oil, benefit from the dollar breakout, but look at gold as well around the current levels where it is back towards the price swing lows that were tested on Friday. You've got that 1920 zone at the moment, which is very resilient. You keep getting retest and backtest back down towards that level, and it could end up being a buy opportunity as long as gold continues to hold around that zone. As you know, we maintain our lower trade on gold at $1,915 per ounce. Again, multiple metals right now, they're retesting the swing lows. You've got platinum breaking back for a retest of $900 per ounce. You've got palladium retesting $1,200 per ounce. Again, I like these markets below 1,200 for palladium, below $900 per ounce for platinum. Again, remember, we've got the CPI data later on this week on Thursday. Again, that can be a catalyst for explosive moves across multiple commodities. But the game plan right now, exactly as we talked you through last week, we've got multiple trades on the sell side on oil. Those are all in profit. We maintain our long position on the dollar. That is doing very nicely, up almost 300 points. And we maintain lower positions here on the precious metals as well. Again, you really want to be tuned in right now to the narratives, the macroeconomics, the fundamentals, then further align that with the capital flows and the real-time data-driven cycles. Learning the daily, the weekly, the quarterly cycle for each of those commodities will help you massively. Further compound that with your understanding of the key liquidity levels so you can sniper in, but also bank your windfall amount of profits at the right point in the cycle, then rinse and repeat. And then further align that with statistics, data, market intelligence, then of course the intermarket correlations, the ratios in the market, and then finally how the hedge funds, money managers, the banks, the institutions, how they're positioned in the market in real time. That is going to help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders, learn the professional research-driven approach to the market, and join our professional mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to make an application to join our professional mentorship program.